Hey everybody, welcome! Today we're tackling a problem that affects so many of us: headaches. Instead of just powering through or reaching for medication, what if you could find relief naturally? We're diving into 3 simple herbal remedies that have stood the test of time. So grab some water, hydration helps. And let's discover nature's best-kept secrets for headache relief. Have you tried any natural remedies for headaches? Share your experiences in the comments. Let's get started. No headaches from this video, only solutions. Ready? Let's go! First up, we're diving into the world of peppermint oil, a true champion when it comes to natural headache relief. We'll explore why this little bottle of potent essence is a must-have in your wellness arsenal. It's a household staple, often underestimated, but it packs a serious punch when it comes to fighting headaches. From tension headaches to those pesky screen time-induced throbbing sensations, peppermint oil is a natural remedy that's worth its weight in gold. It's been used for centuries, and for good reason. The secret weapon within peppermint oil is menthol, a naturally occurring compound that's responsible for that invigorating, cooling sensation. But it's not just about the refreshing feeling. Menthol has some impressive therapeutic properties. Menthol works wonders by cooling the skin, relaxing tense muscles, and ultimately easing pain. It's like a natural analgesic, providing relief without the side effects that can sometimes come with over-the-counter medications. Think of it as a soothing balm for your weary head. When those tension headaches strike, often brought on by stress, poor posture, or even just a long day, peppermint oil can be your go-to solution. It's a natural way to combat the discomfort and get back to feeling like yourself again. Peppermint oil works its magic by increasing blood flow to the affected areas, helping to relieve that throbbing pressure that often accompanies headaches. It's like a natural vasodilator, gently encouraging blood vessels to open up and ease the tension. This improved circulation can also help to reduce inflammation, further contributing to pain relief. So how do you harness the power of peppermint oil for headache relief? Here's a simple and effective way to use it. Start by mixing just a couple of drops of high-quality peppermint oil. It's important to choose a reputable brand to ensure you're getting a pure and potent product. Then, blend it with a teaspoon of a carrier oil, such as coconut oil. Carrier oils are essential because they dilute the peppermint oil, preventing skin irritation and allowing for better absorption. Another excellent option for a carrier oil is jojoba oil, known for its skin-nourishing properties. Almond oil or even olive oil can also work in a pinch. The key is to choose an oil that's gentle and won't clog your pores. Once you've created your peppermint oil blend, gently massage it onto your temples using circular motions. This helps to stimulate blood flow and allows the menthol to penetrate the skin. Don't forget the back of your neck, another common area where tension tends to accumulate. A gentle massage here can work wonders in releasing built-up stress. And if you're feeling particularly tense, extend the massage to your shoulders. These areas are often interconnected, and releasing tension in one spot can have a ripple effect throughout your body. Pay attention to your body and apply the peppermint oil blend wherever you feel that telltale sign of tension creeping in. It could be your forehead, your jaw, or even your scalp. The combination of the cooling sensation and the soothing aroma of peppermint work synergistically to provide fast and effective relief. It's a holistic approach that addresses both the physical and emotional aspects of headaches. Just a word of caution. Be sure to keep the peppermint oil away from your eyes, as it can cause irritation. And always wash your hands thoroughly after applying it to avoid accidental contact with sensitive areas. Peppermint oil is particularly effective when you feel a headache starting to brew, nipping it in the bud before it has a chance to fully develop. It's also a fantastic remedy for those screen time headaches that plague so many of us in this digital age. Staring at screens for extended periods can strain your eyes and lead to tension headaches, and peppermint oil can provide much-needed relief. So the next time you reach for another cup of coffee to combat a headache, consider this. Try peppermint oil as a natural and invigorating pick-me-up. It can provide a similar energy boost without the jitters or the eventual crash that often comes with caffeine. Even simply inhaling the scent of peppermint oil can be incredibly beneficial. It can help to clear your head, open up your sinuses, and promote mental clarity. It's a great way to combat that foggy feeling that often accompanies headaches. I've personally witnessed skeptics transform into enthusiastic believers after experiencing the power of peppermint oil firsthand. And sometimes the relief is so profound that it feels almost instantaneous. It's truly remarkable. With peppermint oil, you're not stuck waiting for a pill to slowly kick in. You can often feel the positive effects almost immediately. It's a proactive approach to headache relief that puts you in control. So, have you ever explored the world of essential oils for headache relief? We'd love to hear about your experiences and favorite remedies in the comments section below. Share your wisdom and help others discover the power of natural headache relief. And if you're new to the world of essential oils, I highly encourage you to give peppermint oil a try. It's incredibly affordable, making it accessible to just about everyone. It's a completely natural remedy, free from harsh chemicals and artificial ingredients. And it's incredibly easy to use, requiring just a few simple steps to experience its benefits. Remember, the more natural and effective tools you have in your wellness toolkit, the better equipped you'll be to handle life's little challenges, including those pesky headaches. Peppermint oil. It's simple, it's fragrant, and it's undeniably powerful. A true gift from nature. Next up, we're going to step into the heart of the home, the kitchen, to explore another comforting and effective remedy that you can easily whip up using ingredients you likely already have on hand. Get ready for a cozy and delicious approach to headache relief. Let's explore another wonderful natural remedy, ginger tea. For centuries, across various cultures, ginger has been celebrated not only for its culinary uses, but also for its potent medicinal properties. It's a warming, ancient solution, particularly effective for headaches and general discomfort. The simple act of sipping a warm cup can bring immense relief. Ginger's remarkable anti-inflammatory properties are key to its effectiveness. These properties help calm headache-related inflammation, especially in migraines, where inflammation often plays a significant role. It targets the root cause, offering a natural way to alleviate pain. Plus, it soothes nausea, a common and unpleasant companion to migraines and many types of headaches. Ginger works wonders in settling the stomach and easing that queasy feeling. Making ginger tea is surprisingly easy, a comforting ritual that requires just a few simple steps. It's a skill anyone can master, bringing the power of natural relief right into your hands. To begin, slice or grate a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Fresh ginger is preferable as it contains more of the beneficial compounds compared to dried or powdered forms. Next, place the sliced or grated ginger in a mug and pour boiling water over it. The hot water extracts the essential oils and active ingredients from the ginger, creating a potent and flavorful tea. Now steep for 10-15 minutes. The longer it steeps, the spicier and more potent the tea becomes. Experiment to find your preferred steeping time based on your taste. After steeping, add lemon or honey if you like. Both not only add a delightful flavor, but also provide extra health benefits. Lemon contributes vitamin C and antioxidants, while honey offers soothing properties. Drink it as soon as you feel a headache starting to creep in, or anytime you simply need a calming ritual to unwind and center yourself. It's a proactive approach to managing discomfort and promoting well-being. The process itself, slicing the ginger, steeping it in hot water, and inhaling the fragrant steam, can be incredibly therapeutic and help you de-stress. It's a mindful practice that engages your senses and promotes relaxation. If ginger's taste is too strong for you initially, start with a smaller amount and gradually build up the quantity to suit your palate. You can also dilute the tea with more water. While pre-made ginger tea bags can certainly work in a pinch when you're short on time, using fresh ginger is undoubtedly the best option for optimal flavor and health benefits. Ginger tea not only hydrates your body, but also reduces inflammation and soothes your stomach, making it a truly holistic approach to wellness. It addresses multiple aspects of your health simultaneously. It's also a wonderful beverage for winding down and preparing for a restful night's sleep in the evening. The calming properties of ginger can help ease you into a state of relaxation. Do you absolutely love ginger tea as much as we do? Or perhaps you have a special and unique way to prepare it that you'd like to share? We'd love to hear all about it in the comments section below. Ginger tea, a simple ancient remedy that continues to be incredibly effective in providing comfort and promoting overall well-being. Its enduring popularity speaks volumes about its benefits. It's a gentle reminder that sometimes the most powerful and effective remedies are readily available, right within the comforting space of your own kitchen. Embrace the natural healing power of ginger. Let's explore another natural remedy, one that might just be the answer to your persistent headaches. Our third remedy is feverfew. We're diving into the world of herbal solutions, and this one is a real gem. Feverfew is a lesser-known but powerful plant, particularly effective for headache prevention. It's not just about treating the pain when it hits, it's about stopping it before it even starts. We're We're talking about a proactive approach to managing those debilitating headaches. This herb has a long history of use, and modern science is beginning to understand why it works so well. Feverfew, with its delicate white petals, looks like a daisy. At first glance, you might mistake it for just another pretty flower in a field. But don't let its innocent appearance fool you. This unassuming plant has been used for centuries, especially for migraines in traditional medicine. Ancient healers recognized its power long before modern science could explain it. It was a staple in many herbal remedies, passed down through generations as a trusted solution for head pain. The secret to feverfew's effectiveness lies in its key compound, parthenolide. This is the active ingredient that gives feverfew its medicinal properties. Scientists have been studying parthenolide extensively to understand its effects on the body. Parthenolide helps prevent blood vessel spasms and inflammation in the brain, two major contributors to headaches and migraines. By targeting these underlying causes, feverfew offers a more comprehensive approach to headache relief. It works to soothe the blood vessels and calm the inflammatory response, reducing the likelihood of a headache occurring. Now, you might be familiar with other natural headache remedies like peppermint or ginger. But unlike peppermint or ginger, which are often used for immediate relief during a headache, feverfew takes a different approach. Feverfew is best used as a daily supplement, building up its protective effects over time. Think of it as a preventative measure, like taking a daily vitamin to support your overall health. It's not a quick fix, but a long-term strategy for managing headaches. The goal of taking feverfew daily is to reduce headache frequency and severity. Over time, you may find that your headaches become less frequent, less intense, and easier to manage. It's about improving your quality of life and taking back control from those debilitating headaches. You'll find feverfew in various forms, including capsules, tablets, or liquid extracts, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Choose the form that works best for you and your lifestyle. You can find these supplements at most health food stores or online retailers. And don't worry, no need to chew bitter leaves. While some traditional remedies involve consuming the raw leaves, modern supplements offer a much more palatable and convenient option. When choosing a feverfew supplement, look for supplements standardized to parthenolide 0 to 0.4%. This ensures that you're getting a consistent and effective dose of the active ingredient. Standardization is key to ensuring the quality and potency of the supplement. It's also important to buy from reputable brands that are known for their quality and testing standards. This will help you avoid products that may be contaminated or contain inaccurate dosages. Look for brands that have been independently tested and certified. As with any new supplement, always consult your doctor before starting feverfew. This is especially important if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. This is especially important if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medication, as feverfew can interact with certain drugs. Your doctor can help you determine if feverfew is right for you and advise you on the appropriate dosage. Keep in mind that it can take a few weeks to notice results with feverfew. It's not an instant cure, but a gradual process of building up its protective effects. But many find fewer, milder headaches over time, making it a worthwhile investment in their long-term health. The key is to be patient and consistent with your supplementation. For chronic sufferers, that can be life-changing, offering a significant improvement in their daily lives. Imagine being able to participate in activities without the constant fear of a headache looming over you. Feverfew is about long-term wellness and prevention, focusing on addressing the root causes of headaches rather than just masking the symptoms. It's a holistic approach to health that emphasizes prevention and proactive care. It's not just about quick fixes, but about creating a sustainable approach to managing your headaches and improving your overall well-being. It's about making lifestyle changes and incorporating natural remedies that support your body's natural healing processes. Feverfew is a great example of tradition meeting science, where ancient herbal knowledge is being validated by modern research. It's a testament to the power of natural remedies and the importance of exploring traditional healing practices. It's herbal medicine in action, demonstrating the potential of plants to provide effective and natural solutions for common health problems. Feverfew offers a promising alternative to conventional headache treatments, with fewer side effects and a focus on long-term prevention. Have you heard of feverfew? Would you try it as a natural way to manage your headaches? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Let us know in the comments below. Share your stories and insights with the community. Feverfew, a small flower with big potential for headache relief, offering hope and a natural path to a pain-free life. It's a reminder that sometimes the most powerful solutions can be found in the simplest of things. And there you have it, 3 natural ways to tackle headaches: peppermint oil, ginger tea, and feverfew. Find what works for you, and always check with your doctor for frequent headaches or new supplements. Thanks for joining me today. If you learned something new, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Share your stories and questions in the comments. I love hearing from you. Wishing you a happy, healthy, and headache-free week ahead. Be kind to yourself and others. See you next time.